What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Bria, y'all. I'm back with freaking day 3 and welcome back to another video. I hope I have been enjoying my 1, 2, and 3 day vlogs. Well, today is day 3 vlog, so y'all don't know if y'all enjoy it yet, but I'm quite sure y'all will. Yeah, let me clean my camera off. So y'all, today is, I think it's the 24th, so it is the day before Christmas, and we're just chilling right now. I'm late for breakfast. We were supposed to be there at 8:30. It is now, oh, y'all can't even see. Well, it's 8:50. I just looked at it on my watch. There we go. So no, 8:51 now, but yeah, y'all, I was out. I was walking up the freaking stairs yesterday, and I felt like I pulled something in my foot. So like my foot, I don't want to say it's killing me because that's a bit dramatic, but it really hurt bad. But it's okay. But yeah, this is what I got on today. I think y'all seen this outfit yesterday, but this is just what I wear over my bathing suit so that I can look very much family friendly. You know, so it just won't be like too much. But waiting for the elevator now. Yeah, this is what my views look like from my floor. I'm on the 6th floor. This is like inside the elevator, so the elevator is clear. Y'all can see them people over there, and they are like, you can see all the views. So we just waiting for us the elevator now. Whenever I be on the elevator, I watch the numbers. Like, so that's 5. That's 5. This one is 3. This one is 5. And then this one is 4. So I don't know which one is gonna come first because I'm going to the 11th floor. I would take the steps, but yeah, no. But yeah, y'all.
Biggest boat right now.
Which one?
To the left, not ours.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to day 4 of my freaking trip. The time now, I think it's like 10 o'clock, and I'm kind of finished getting ready. Only thing I really gotta do is leave out the room, but this room looks a mess, so that needs to just be straightened up real quick. But today is Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everybody. Today is also the last like full day on the road. We still got one more day to go tomorrow, so yeah. And I don't know where my family is, but they're somewhere on this boat. So I gotta go find them. I think I missed breakfast because I think breakfast is over like at I think it's over at like 9, and it's 9:12 now. So we're about to see exactly where they are. And y'all, I don't know if y'all ever been on like a Royal Caribbean boat, but if y'all download the app and connect to Wi-Fi, like you can text with people. Let me show y'all. You can text with people that's like in your party. So there go like some of the people that I'm on the boat with. So I make it like really easy to find everybody and all that. So I'm just texting them now where they at. Hope y'all have a great Christmas on today. Much love to everybody who's watching my vlog and all y'all families and all that stuff. So yeah, my mom got us these Merry Christmas shirts that she wants us to wear all day. Do I want to wear them all day? I don't, but she does, so I'm gonna try to be a great sport. Only reason I don't is because winter is like now back at home, but like this time is more like summery, just a little bit more like a little fall. so I kind of can wear like more clothes, you know, than just a hoodie and sweatpants. So I just want to wear that because I didn't really get the chance to. But yeah, but they're upstairs eating now, so I'm about to see one of these elevators and I can go up there, and yeah, and then I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get up there.
Face is breaking out.
We just took pictures. Everybody in their Christmas shirts. I look crazy in all of them because my hair. And Z didn't want to give me no hair bow.
Wait, Jay, you going to the room?
So y'all too close to me because if I fall, y'all look at what my hair look like. And this is what I look like in all the freaking pictures. And they just don't care at all. Wait, I thought we was following Auntie Jean. There's that tree. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if I ever gave y'all a tour. That's what the boat looked like, but I'm gonna have to give y'all one today. But this the pool. Well, this is one side of the pool. I don't know if y'all can really see, but oh, there you go. That's the pool. We got views of the ocean. We got life jackets for all the kids. Yeah, they got an adult only area, like hot tub, and I think that's a swimming pool over there. And then it's like an opening of the ship right here. They got little swinging chairs. There go more views of the ocean. And then I'll be in like a kind of lobby area a little bit, and we are on the 11th floor. This is where we are, and we going to this floor, floor number 5. Y'all look at the Christmas tree. That's how tall I am. Boy, go stand next to it. Go stand next to it. I'm okay. Go stand next to it. Child, he ain't even touching the top of the tree. We X that ugly girl out. We only looking at Josh because she didn't want to give me her hair bow. But my nails is T, right? Here, let's get into the
You was literally picking on the boat, right?
Turn me up, turn me up, turn me up. But yeah.
Morning, can't remember nothing till you just flowing from London. Nothing I remember, they calling me daddy. The mansion was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Cool with the kid, copy, got to. Pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, rich nigga. Oh, 100 pockets riding, got it. I go to space with the stars. I smoke a blunt on my pilot. Saturn, Moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket. $500,000 on the necklace. No rich niggas we successful. Say she wanna feel special. What? And Coco make her feel special. I count 100 or better. 100. Back in 200 or better. 200. I might go put all my chains on. I just might change up the weather. She pop a perk and pussy wetter. Drip. I make the bitch at Coachella. If she Nutella, she probably do better. But can I get an E for effort? I pray to God that wash my sins. God, the formed against me, not a weapon. No weapon. Ask her where do I begin? Where? Never trying to take my blessings. They don't know the meaning of the white. You don't really live this life. No. Niggas in the hood shoot twice. See my niggas in the hood, she precise. Real wise, we ain't taking no advice. I realize that these hoes ain't right. Don't even ask cause they know what's the price. Ain't gotta snow, they already know it's white. I talk to God cause I been baptized. I got mob tied to the north side. Pull up with the sticks on a nigga straight slime. They gon' make the north side high crime. Been I hit a lick with these niggas dropping 10. Hit a lick with these niggas dropping dimes. Fucking on the friend, I'ma break her back in. Looking at the watch, I can't waste time. Take off. Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing. Two bitches just flowing from London. Nothing I remember, they calling me daddy. The mansion was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Good with the kid, copy. Got to pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga, oh, honey, pockets riding. Got it. I go to space with the stars. I smoke a blunt with my pilot. Saturn, Moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket.
So we went to, where did we go? We went to play bingo, then we played Uno for a second, and now, oh, I'm out of breath. And now I'm about to go take a nap. I don't know what anybody else is about to do, but wait, what's my phone number? Oh, this walk just felt a little long. Okay, but I'm about to go take me a nap, watch a little TV, and I'm gonna see y'all when I wake up. Oh yeah, the time now is 1 o'clock. Yes, I'm taking a midday nap, cause why not? But yeah, what's up, y'all? This is our last day of the cruise, and we're about to head home. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning now, and we are just getting dressed, getting our bags packed and stuff to go back home.
Where's that vaccine?
Oh, I put it in my bag already. Excuse me. But yeah, so we're just gonna go upstairs and eat breakfast, and then we're going to get ready to go. Y'all, I'm freaking ready to go home. And yeah, definitely gonna do a recap at the end of this, because I know this video is probably shorter. But thank y'all so much for watching my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.
I can't remember nothing, two bitches just flowing from London. Nothing I remember, they calling me daddy. The mansion was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got